Now the next question, that is question number 14, and here they have mentioned the mass m kilograms of KT suitcase is 31 kg, correct to nearest kilograms. Complete the statement about the value of m. The value of m here they have given us is 31 kg, that is the mass of the suitcase of KT. So the thing here is to note, they have asked 31 kg correct to nearest kilogram. Here you can see 31 kg and the nearest kilogram. It means the units are same, kg and kg, and they have asked for the nearest whole number because 31 is a whole number. So the thing to note is and to remember is that when they have asked for the nearest whole number, we will divide 1 with 2. 1 will be divided by 2 and we can get 0.5. Now they have asked for the value of upper bound and lower bound, because this shows we can write this statement as lower and upper bound. Here we have to write the lower bound value and here we have to write the upper bound value. So how we gonna get this value? The value they have given, the mass value is 31 kg. Now for lower bound, we can also denote it with LB. We can write it as LB. The value given is 31, and here we have divided 1 by 2 because they have asked for the nearest whole number, that is kgs. So 0.5 value we will be subtracting this value from 31 that is given, and we will get 30.5. This is actually the lower bound value. Now we will find the upper bound value. Upper bound value, we can also write it as UB. Okay, the value given is 31 kg, and here we will add this value. We will add this value to get the upper bound. To get the lower bound, we will subtract this value from with the given value. So we can get here 31.5. So it's our upper bound value. So how we gonna write this? These we can write it as, here we'll be putting our lower bound value and here we will be putting our upper bound value. This is the answer of question number 14. Now the next question is question number 15. Question number 15 says Joe invests $5,000 at a steady rate of 2% increase each year. Calculate the value of her investment at the end of 4 years. So it's a percentage questions, and here they have given the investment money which is $5,000, and the steady rate increase. Here it is the increasing, and increase is 2%. So for increase we will, the total increase is value is always 100. So it is increase. So we will add this value. So you have to remember, when they have asked for an increase, you will add this percentage with 100%. So the percentage here given is 2%, and we will we get 102%. We can also write it as 102 divided by 100, and we get here the multiplier value of 1.02. Now the money Joe invest is $5,000. It is the value that she invested. So this is the multiply value. We will multiply this value 1.02 with her investment, that is 5,000, and the answer we will get is, but the other thing to remember is that they have asked to calculate the investment at the end of 4 years. It means this value keeps on increasing each year. So for 4 years we can write it as 1.02, and for 4 years, so we have to divide it 4 times, sorry, multiply it with 4 times. So what will we get? The answer we will get here is 5412.1608. We can also round it as 5412.16 something. So this is the answer. This is the value of our investment at the end of 4 years. Now coming to question number 16. Question number 16 is, the population of a town is 8,000 people and it is predicted to decrease at the rate of 5% per year. Calculate the population at the end of 3 years. Give you answer in whole numbers. They have given the population which is 8,000 people and which is predicted to decrease at a rate of 5% per year. So it is decreasing. That's why we will subtract 5% from 100 and we get 95%. We can also write it as 95 by 100, which is 0.95. Value we get is 0.95. Multiply. Here the population is 8,000 and 0.95 is the multiply value, but they have asked the population at the end of 3 years. That's why we will multiply this value 3 times, or we can write it as, now the value we get after calculation is, the answer we get is 6859. So after 3 years, the predicted population with the rate of 5% decrease will be 6859 people. So in part B, this question also has part B, which is asking, what does this calculation represent? 8,000 into 0.95 multiplied 5 times. Now what does it mean? It means, when you have noticed that when they have asked for 3 years, we wrote it as like this. This was the population and this after 3 years. Now it means the population, it is representing the population of the town at the end of 5 years. The answer will be, answer of question 16 part B is, it is representing the population of town at the end of 5 years. Question number 16 done. Now question number 17. Coming to question number 17, a bicycle is bought by Liam for $120. The value of the bicycle decreases by 5% first year. It is decreased by 8% in second year. Calculate its worth after 2 years. Show your calculations. So they have given different percentages. Percentage was 5% decrease first year, and then second year the decrease is 8%. First we are going to find the multiplier value. So what will be the multiplier value in first year? First year it was decrease of decrease was 5%, and we get here 95%, that is 0.95 multiplier value. And in second year में 100 में 100% we will subtract 8% and we get 92%. Ultimately we get 0.92 as a multiplier value. So they have asked its worth after 2 years. These are two multiplier values. So the actual price of the bicycle is $120, and we will multiply it with these 0.95 and 0.92, and we will finally get the answer, which is $104.88, or you can write as by rounding. You can also write it as $105. So the value decreases from this 120 to 105 after 2 years. Now the next question is question number 18. They have asked for the multiply values for these percentages. So one by one we will solve this question. Question number 18 and part 1. Here they have asked 20% decrease, A part 20% decrease and then 6% increase. So for decrease we will subtract it from 100 and we get 80% and multiply a value of 0.8. For increase of 6%, 100% plus 6% is equal, we get 6%, 106%, which is why we can also write it as this, and we get the value of 1.06. So now we will multiply these values, 0.8 and 1.06. We get 0.848. That will be our answer. Now we will do question number 18 part 2. Question number 18 part B is 15% decrease and then 10% decrease. These both values are decrease values. So first is 100% minus 15% is equal to 85%, which is 85 divided by 100. We get 0.85. Then again decrease value, 100 minus 10, that is 10, yes, 10%, and here we get value 90%. 90 divided by 100, we get 0.9. So two values we get, we will multiply these to get a multiplier value 0.9. We get 0.765. that will be our answer. Now coming to the part C of question number 18. They have given a 8% increase and then 5% increase. We have to write the multiplier value. How we will calculate? The same method will apply. 100% plus 8%, we will get 108%. 108 divided by 100 and we get 1.08 value. Then it is again increase, 100% plus 5%, we will get 105%. 105 divided by 100, we get 1.05. Then we will multiply these both values 1.08 and 1.05 and we get 1.34. Here we got the value of 1.134. That was the answer of question number 18 part C.